Hi, I'm going to be unboxing Red Velvet's album Feel My Rhythm, the ReVe Festival 2022. So I got all the versions, and I have more versions coming from K-Town for You, but they haven't shipped yet. So I just bought these at a store. So I'm going to start with these versions. So these are the two PHOTOBOOK versions. I can't pronounce the version names, so I'm just gonna write it in a caption. So here's this version. It's like the ballerina concept. So these two PHOTOBOOK versions have the same photo books, just different covers. So the sticker is on the outside. It's a gold sticker. So this one has like the ballerina cover. They look very tiny. And it's pink on the spine. And they're in the back. So yeah, I like how this looks. It's very like small. So I'm gonna take out the inclusions. Okay, so the inside cover is different. So ooh, it's a pink book. So yeah, I'm just gonna go through one photo book, and I'll just show the cover of the other one. Oh my god, I've been so excited to get this. I thought K-Town for You would ship it, but they're not shipping it out yet, so I paid like a overpriced price for this in the store. But yeah, I had to get it because I was just too excited. But yeah, I love this album, the title track, and all the B-sides are so good. Also, I like the concept here, like the ballerina. They look so pretty. This concept too is really pretty. I like the colors. So you have the title track and the music video. I love it. A Rainbow Halo. It's one of my top B-sides. Wendy. These are such pretty pictures. Beg for Me is good too. Honestly, I like all these B-sides. Joy. Bambaleo is really good too. Ooh, they had like the cat. It looks like the cat from Ice Cream Cake. Also, that song really gives me Ice Cream Cake vibes. I think that's why I like it a lot. Because I like the Ice Cream Cake too. Yuri's on the cat. Irene. I'm hoping to pull Irene because I collect her cards. She could be hard to trade for. But yeah. Irene, pretty. She has like brown hair this comeback. Usually it's like dark. So pretty. We have units here, Irene and Yuri, and Joy, Silky, and Wendy. Ooh, that's a pretty picture. In My Dreams, I think that's my favorite B-side. And they actually performed it too, so. This is so pretty, this photo book. Sylvie. And the credits. Okay. Oh, the CD's in here. I forgot. Oh, it's white. Oh, they have the title. The tracks on here. That's cool. And then the back. Oh, the back has the songs on it. Okay, so that's so pretty. So So I think there's a random poster. So let's see what we got. I got Irene. Oh my god. Yay. I never pull her posters in a random inclusion, so yay. This dress is so pretty. It's very big. It's so pretty. Oh my god. So the stickers, I think, is every member. It's just I think there's 2 types. So I got this type. Super pretty. And then there's a bookmark. I got Yari. The 2 concepts are on it. So the Capriccioso and the Calmato. So yeah, I just have trouble pronouncing those. So, and for the photo card, I got silk. I can't believe I got this card. This silky card is so like pretty, so iconic. I forgot about this card that it came in this version. I thought it was the other one. Oh my god. Yay. I got this silky card. It's crazy. I love her in this look. So yes. Very happy with that. And then the SM ad. It's very pretty. I'm trying to play the Superstar games again. So that's so pretty. So let's move on. So here's the cover for this one. It's so pretty. It's green on the side. So yeah, I'm pretty sure the photo book is exactly the same because I watched some unboxings. So yeah, I'm just gonna make sure. Oh. Okay, so yeah, I think it's the same photo book. So yeah, just the inside is different, and this is green. And then there's clouds here. And I think the CD is the same. So yeah. So I saw the photo card, but I see the bookmark, and I got Irene. Yay. Got Irene's bookmark. I saw the photo card, so it's Joy. She looks so pretty. I rarely pull Joy, but I've been pulling her lately, so that's cool. Got Joy. An SM ad, and then I got the other sticker set. So cute. And then the poster. It's a different poster. Ooh, I got Yuri. Cool. These are so pretty. I wish they were like a bigger poster, but very cute. So yeah, I got Joy's photo card. So now I have the Orgel version. So it kind of looks like a Kino. It's very small. It's very pretty though. I like this. Ooh, it has a magnet opening. Okay, so I don't know where anything is, so I'm just gonna like... Okay, so it's a very small photo book. Very cute though. I really like the concepts. I'm wondering why they're doing the same photo books lately. Like, in Queendom, I think they had 2 different covers too for the photo book version, but the same photo book inside. I think these are different pictures, so. Oh my god, eerie. Yeah, I bought way too many copies of this album. I think I bought like 4 from K-Temper U, and then I got a set from Makestar and a set from Mumo Japan just to get the pre-order benefits. So they're just taking a while to ship out, so I just wanted to get like a set because I just really like this album. Irene's dress is so big. I watched the behind the scenes and she was saying that she couldn't move in it by herself. She needed help. Too pretty. Also, I saw their Japanese teaser for their new Japanese song, and it looks like it's gonna be crazy, so we're getting a lot of content for Red Velvet lately. Okay, so that was a photo book. Now I think there's like some random standee here. So I got Wendy. I usually pull Wendy a lot, so I'm surprised I didn't pull her photo card. So I think you could, yeah, stand it up here like that. Very pretty. What is this? Oh, the CD. It's so small. I saw in the description it said it was a mini CD, so it looks like a GameCube game. Like it's that kind of size. Very cute though. Then we have stickers. And then this thing has all the members. And the lyrics. Yeah, this whole album is really good. And for the photo card, I see the back. I know all their signatures, so it's pretty obvious. So I got Joy. So cute. I'm so surprised I'm pulling Joy. Like, literally, I rarely pull her. So, yay. Super cute. So, yeah. So that was my unboxing of Red Velvet's Feel My Rhythm, the ReVe Festival 2022. Yeah, thank you for watching.